Our sun is a star, a massive celestial body. It's the heart of our solar system, a source of immense power and energy. It's a giant ball of hot gas, primarily hydrogen and helium, that constantly sends energy to Earth in the form of electromagnetic radiation. This energy is crucial for life as we know it. Some of this energy is visible light, the kind we can see with our eyes, painting the world in vibrant colors. But much of it is invisible to us, like infrared radiation, radio waves, and ultraviolet or UV light. UV light is a type of radiation with a shorter wavelength and, therefore, more energy than visible light. This higher energy is what makes it potentially harmful. Within the UV spectrum, there are two main types that affect our skin: UVA and UVB. Each has its own unique characteristics and effects. Remember, A for aging, think of the long-term effects. B for burning, the immediate and painful consequence. UVA rays penetrate deep into the dermis, the thickest layer of our skin, causing wrinkles, premature skin aging, and contributing to some types of skin cancer. They're sneaky, able to penetrate even through clouds and glass. UVB rays are generally stronger and more intense, and are the primary cause of sunburn, as they mostly hit the skin's surface, the epidermis. Both UVA and UVB rays can damage the DNA in our skin cells, leading to mutations and cellular dysfunction. This damage significantly increasing the risk of developing skin cancer over time. Our bodies make melanin, a pigment that absorbs UV radiation, to help protect us. But even with melanin, it's simply not enough to fully shield us from the sun's harmful effects. Sun exposure is a constant, invisible threat that we need to be aware of every day. That's why we need extra help in the form of sun protection. Enter sunscreen, our first line of defense. Science gives us the tools and the knowledge to effectively defend ourselves from the sun's sneaky rays. Every time you step outside, whether it's a sunny day or a cloudy one, remember, you're facing invisible energy waves that can have lasting effects on your skin. Protection isn't just about comfort and avoiding a sunburn. It's fundamentally about safeguarding your long-term health and well-being. Sunscreen is your shield, a vital part of your daily routine. The science behind it is truly fascinating, involving complex chemical compounds and innovative technologies. Let's delve deeper and see how it works to protect us at a molecular level. Let's zoom in, way into the molecular level. We're talking about the very building blocks of your skin, the cells that make you, you. It's a microscopic world of incredible complexity. UV rays, those invisible beams from the sun, can penetrate skin cells. They don't just bounce off, they dive right in, reaching the most vulnerable parts of your cells. And once inside, they can damage DNA, the instruction manual for your body. Think of DNA as the master plan, the code that dictates everything about you. When UV hits DNA, it can create kinks called dimers, essentially little roadblocks in the genetic code. These dimers are like typos in your genetic code, introducing errors that can have serious consequences. Thankfully, our cells have repair systems, specialized teams of enzymes to fix these mistakes. They work tirelessly to correct the damage. But, and this is a crucial but, they're not perfect. These repair mechanisms have their limits. Too much sun, too much UV exposure can overwhelm these repair kits, leaving them unable to cope with the sheer volume of damage. Or even worse, it can cause errors during the repair process itself, introducing new problems while trying to fix the old ones. Unfixed damage leads to mutations, alterations in the genetic code that can have long-lasting effects. These mutations result in permanent changes in DNA, changes that are passed on to future cells. If mutations affect genes that control cell growth, the very genes that regulate how cells divide and multiply, cells can multiply out of control, dividing rapidly and forming masses of abnormal tissue. And that's how skin cancer starts, from these tiny, seemingly insignificant changes at the molecular level. It's not just about sunburn, the immediate pain and redness. It's about protecting your DNA, the very essence of your cellular health and well-being. Every sunburn, no matter how mild, is a sign of DNA damage, a warning that your cells have been compromised. Protecting your skin, therefore, means protecting your genetic blueprint, safeguarding the information that makes you, you. Sunscreen helps prevent these tiny but dangerous changes, acting as a shield against the harmful effects of UV radiation. The stakes are higher than you think. It's not just about avoiding wrinkles, it's about preventing potentially life-threatening diseases. That's why sun protection matters, not just for today, but for the long-term health of your skin and your DNA. Sunscreen ingredients are your skin's superheroes, working tirelessly to keep you safe. They're the unsung heroes of skincare, standing guard against the sun's harmful rays. There are two main types of sunscreen formulations available today: mineral and chemical sunscreens, each offering a unique approach to sun protection. Mineral sunscreens use zinc oxide, a naturally occurring mineral, or titanium dioxide, another mineral-based ingredient that provides a protective barrier. These are tiny particles that sit on the surface of your skin and physically block UV rays, deflecting them away. Think of them as a physical shield, creating a barrier between your skin and the sun. Chemical sunscreens, on the other hand, use molecules like avobenzone or oxybenzone, which are designed to absorb UV radiation. These active ingredients absorb into the top layers of the skin and soak up UV energy before it can penetrate deeper and do harm to your skin cells. One blocks the sun's rays, the other absorbs them. Two different strategies, but with one shared goal: to protect your skin from sun damage. Many sunscreens combine both mineral and chemical filters for broad-spectrum protection. Modern formulas are designed to be clear, lightweight, and comfortable to wear every day. The right sunscreen defends against both UVA and UVB rays, providing comprehensive protection. It's science, working diligently for your skin's health and well-being. How do these sunscreen superheroes work? Mineral sunscreens reflect and scatter UV light like millions of tiny mirrors, but they also absorb UV energy, turning it into harmless heat. Chemical sunscreens are designed to absorb UV rays. Their molecules capture UV energy, vibrate, and release it as heat. This process happens in a split second, over and over. Both types prevent UV from reaching and damaging your DNA. It's a chemical and physical defense system. Sunscreen transforms dangerous rays into harmless warmth. That's the science behind your daily protection. Every application is a mini shield for your skin. Sunscreen science keeps evolving. Some chemical filters are under review for safety and environmental impact. New research is creating larger, safer molecules and encapsulation technology to keep ingredients on the skin's surface. Scientists are also studying natural UV blockers from plants and algae. Future sunscreens may be biodegradable, DNA repairing, or tailored to your genetics. Imagine all-day protection or sun-safe clothing. The goal: safer, smarter sun protection for everyone. Science is our best defense against the sun's power. Stay curious, stay protected, and always wear your sunscreen. Your skin and your DNA will thank you.